Hello everyone, welcome to week 9 for BCOM 3113 spring 2019. I apologize for missing my week 8 video, but here I am back finally, and just want to post this update as we are finishing up week 9 and heading into a much deserved spring break for everyone. So I've kept the load relatively light, especially since you just turned in a huge assignment. So we only have 2 things on the agenda this week. Number 1, discussion board 3. Now, as you probably noticed, we've done 2 discussion board assignments. With the discussion board assignments, the way to get the full credit is to log in multiple times throughout the week, not just waiting until the end. And then, of course, contributing useful and conversation, creating comments, not just simple things and one-word comments and that kind of thing. So again, this is kind of discussion 3 utilizes a real popular resource from Simon Sinek, and his New York Times bestselling book Start With Why, and this kind of movement that has really gained a lot of traction in the last few years. So I think it's real useful for you guys to kind of think about, this kind of foundational stuff can kind of direct your life, obviously, but in your professional life in particular. And, if you have this concept of why kind of permeating everything that you do, it will even find its way in your business communication, your writing. So the only other thing we have on the schedule is an extra credit opportunity. So some people really are in dire need of that, so make sure that you do that. It uses the power of process option on Connect, so it will have a writing prompt, and it will actually kind of make you break up the actual message into several different components that follow the writing process itself. So it's it'll feel a little weird, a little different than what, it's different than just looking at a prompt and coming up with a memo to respond to it. So anyway, that's worth 10 bonus points. So please take advantage of that opportunity, especially if you haven't been doing well, you've been missing assignments. After spring break, obviously, we're going to be in the home stretch, and every opportunity that you can get to earn some bonus points, you need to take advantage. Well, that's it. I hope you all enjoy spring break, and be on the lookout the Sunday, the 24th, and I will be posting the information for the next week's content for after spring break. So enjoy. If you have questions, make sure you get in contact with me as soon as you can.